Facial Expression Recognition by Suyash Jayaprakash Singh and Riddhi Suhas Vaidya. The key to non-verbal communications between human beings is able to recognize facial expressions of the people. Facial expression recognition has been widely studied and the process is being made in the field of human-computer interaction easier contribution to the field like data analytics. The feelings conveyed by the face can be broadly classified into anger, disgust, fear, happiness, sadness, and surprise. Recognizing facial expressions can be challenging due to various head poses, illuminations, occlusions, and expressions can often be very subtle and not visible. In this project, we will be exploring facial expression recognition using various methods. Now, one of these methods are convolution neural networks. It's a deep learning algorithm that takes in an input image with assigned importance to various aspects or objects in the image and be able to differentiate from one to another. They're made up of neurons that have learnable weights and biases. The processing in the algorithm is required much lower than other classification algorithms. Here are the steps of the following phone systems. There's an input image, the input face, which goes forward for facial processing, and the features are extracted, followed by selecting the features, the expressions are then classified, and there's an evaluation of the performance. The problem description. In this project, we are aiming to make an emotion recognition by first detecting and locating the image in a scene and then classifying its expression from an image and video file. The data set that we are going to use for the project is for 2013. Here, we would be working on basic expressions grouped in 7 categories, which are anger, disgust, fear, happiness, sad, surprise, and a neutral expression. For 2013 is a challenging data set since it has a lot of incorrectly labeled images. Also, there are some samples which do not contain faces in them. This makes the classification harder and drops the accuracy. For expression recognition, we first should begin with extracting different facial features. The problem solution. In this project, we will be using convoluted neural networks. We will be using CNN models and then we'll be comparing the accuracies. The model in the right hand side, model B, uses a deep convolution. We have also tried SVM for the problem, but comparing the results, we see that CNN gives a better result, except SVM is the faster one. Pre-processing of data is the most important phase. Analyzing the raw data without any pre-processing can lead to unwanted results. Our goal while using CNN architecture was to compare whether the results obtained with CNN using raw pixels improved when we gave some extra information like HOG features or face landmarks. Here, in this one, we have first detected faces using OpenCV and extracted HOG features and the face landmarks, extracting using DLib, and then we input the data plus this extra information into the convoluted neural network. Now, the further presentation will be given by Riddhi.
Hi, I'm Riddhi, and I'll be further presenting this project. So the experiments we performed in this project were, so firstly, we had used SVM and we performed all the feature extraction and everything using the SVM thing. And then when we performed it, the training time was very less, as in the SVM was faster. It took about 2100 seconds, much lesser than what CNN took. Training the model with 5 expressions gave us the following result. We trained our model using the first 5 expressions. Using only the HOG features gave us an accuracy of 30.1%. But when we used face landmarks with the HOG features, we achieved an accuracy of 51%. Secondly, we started using CNN. The following results were obtained by using CNN. For just the raw image input without using any HOG feature or face landmarks, we obtained an accuracy of 63.8% for model A and an accuracy of 64% for model B. We then added some features to the images like HOG features and face landmarks, which improved the accuracy of model A to 68.4% and model B to 69.5%. Here the model B performed better because of the deep convolutions used in it. For the last two experiments, like those performed in the previous two steps, we've used only 5 expressions, which were happy, sad, angry, surprised, and neutral. After training the model on all 7 emotions, the accuracy dropped to just 61%. Conclusion. So from all the experiments performed, we were successful in recognizing facial expressions using FIR 2013 dataset by using the following methods: SVM and convolutional neural networks. We used 3 methods for detecting facial expressions: SVM and the 2 different models used in the CNN. Among the 3 methods, we found that the CNN model having a deep network to be the most accurate. That is the model B. In the last few years, CNN is turning out to be one of the popular methods in computer vision. Face emotion recognition is a challenging task, and CNN definitely gives a desirable results for the same. So while predicting the face emotion from an image file, we get an output something like this. And for the real-time face emotion detection from the video, we get the following outputs. We just have to run our command, and then the webcam pops up and the face emotions are detected. Thank you.